Hey, what's up guys, Rob here. I'm just bringing you a one direction kinematics equation. We got an example problem for you, so I'm going to read that off. The small airplane must reach a speed of 35 meters per second to take off if its constant acceleration is 2.5 meters per second squared. Now with that, you're going to want to draw a picture of the scenario. We already did that here. And with those givens on the chart and with the picture that we drew, we're going to want to list all the variables that we know so we can see what we can solve for using our kinematics equations. So we know that our acceleration is 2.5 meters per second squared and that our final velocity is 35 meters per second. From the word problem itself, after drawing the diagram, you should see that the initial starting position, the reference point is 0, which is x naught in kinematics equation. Our initial velocity is 0 because the plane is at rest. And we'll have to solve for the time it takes to run off, as well as the length of the runway. So in order to do that, first we're going to need to solve for time using this kinematics equation right here. So we just plug in our velocity, quote 35 meters per second, equal to the initial velocity of 0 plus the acceleration of 2.5 meters per second squared multiplied by time, which is what we're solving for. As you can see, just divide both sides by 2.5, and we'll get our time, which comes out to be 14 seconds. So after we have our time, we plug that into our chart right here, and solve for the length of the runway using our other kinematics equation. So we would just plug that into our kinematics equation. X equals the initial starting point, which is 0, plus the initial velocity multiplied by time. 0 times 14 ends up canceling out, plus 1/2 of the acceleration, 2.5 meters per second squared, multiplied by time squared. And if we just plug that into our calculators real quick, we would come out for x being 245 meters. And that would be the length of our runway. And also the time for the plane takes off will be 14 seconds. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.